Welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to do, well, if you read the title you'll know it's going to be Buzz, but it's a Buzz wristable. There you go, here he is. Alright, I'll take him off. Now I'm not going to do the artwork live, so I'm going to zoom in so hopefully you can see it. Zoom in, that's me walking forward. Alright, so he's got his eyebrows are upside down V, square eyes, and the nose, don't forget the little dimple chinny bit. Alright, and obviously I'm sure you could do better artwork for the buttons and that, but it just gives you an idea, doesn't it? Normally when I'm out and busy I don't actually put the buttons on, but so anyway, so this is what we're going to make. So you need your 260, and you're not going to use all of it, so you need a 5-finger bubble, so 5-finger bubble, 2 1.5 finger bubbles, which you're going to pinch twist. So there you go. Oh. Hold on to it, otherwise it does go undone. And you're going to twist these two together like that, and then the balloon goes over the top and makes it into 2 pinch twists. Right? And squeeze the air, measure another 5-finger bubble, and again do 2 more pinch twists. So 2 twists there, about 1.5 finger bubbles, twist them together, and this goes over the top. Right, and then the knot of the balloon goes around. So deflate this in your favourite method, but you do keep this because, let me deflate. Don't use your teeth whatever you do. Alright. And then because this bit's been inflated and this bit hasn't, you can see a difference. So if you just get your finger and thumb and run that through a couple of times, there you go. Now it looks like it's not been inflated. I always tie a knot in this as well at this end, because later on we're going to attach that over here and it gives it a bit of twist. So anyway, so this is what we've got at the moment. Then you need your 350s in lilac and blush. And they're about between a 6 and a 7 finger bubble, alright? And you can get 2 out of, you know, because I already got the first one from the one I just ended. So tie these together, and I like to leave a lot of slack here, because this is going to sit in the centre of the 260, and then you want to pull those to the edges, so that you need a bit of slack there. And then just tie these up at the top. Tight, but not too tight, because you might damage them and get a hole in the balloon. So they've got to be nice and tight. There we go, and I'm going to put an extra knot in there just in case. And then these you've got to cut off, so get your scissors and do those quite close, because you want this, a 160 is going over the top, so that will hide that. Alright, so tie your make sure that this is sitting in the centre, and then pull the 350 tight around 1 pinch twist, and then the other one, make sure it's sitting roughly in the centre, and pull that tight around the other one. There we go. So it should sit in the middle. There you go. It's not too bad, is it? Even though I say so myself. You then need, we do the purple violet 160, that goes round chucked into the last one, it goes round there, and then you go all the way over the top, make it a snug fit, they go all the way over the top, back to the other side, and I normally do this against my body, so not a little bit tight, so there we go. Now you can do that again, alright? So I don't think I said how much to leave uninflated. I think I left about 5 or 6 fingers. You're not going to use it all. But I have 2, this goes over again. So put it nice and tight, so it is a snug fit, so that it looks like it's the same pressure on both of them. There you go. Put that around a few times, and get rid of the excess in your favourite method. There we go. So, that one sits like this. Right, and then we have the 260 here to go over the top. And because there's 2 of these, the 260 clear sits nice, you see, so it all helps to hold it in place. again, you can probably get to clear the helmet for Buzz Lightyear out of one probably, so you know, you don't have to fully inflate it. So tie the knot around one of the pinch twists, and then this goes over the top, nice and snug. To the other side, measure it off where you think it's going to be, put the twist in there, and put that around. There we go. Get rid of that. And you would have enough to do, oh, 2 bars, sorry about that. There you go. So this ends up like so. Then the uninflated bit of the 260 line, and that goes around to the other side, up it around, and then that's what you your wrist to wear. Alright, so that's Buzz. Let me just come forward with the one that's got the artwork on it. So here they are, and do a little, look at that. Big stereo turning them around, and we'll come forward again so that you can just see a bit ever so slowly, and hopefully there you go. Perfect shot, I don't think. Right, so good luck with Buzz. If you could hit the subscribe button down here somewhere, up there, that'd be great, and tell a few friends about BalloonTube, much appreciated. Good luck with it, and if you do make Buzz or any other designs on BalloonTube, if you wanted to post them on Balloon Chat, and that'd be nice to see them. So it's bye from me, and it's bye from Buzz. I'll do these up like this, I'm going to let them go. Bye!